Throughout its history, the Bentley Bentayga has stood head and shoulders above the competition as the pinnacle of the luxury SUV market. This vehicle was unrivaled in its power, refinement, and ability to conquer any terrain. The third-generation Bentayga, set to debut in 2027, is more than a model refresh. It's a bold technical and aesthetic statement, a daring departure from the storied W12 engine. It introduced a new age with its incredibly potent hybrid powertrain, which rethought the term hyper-SUV. The new heart of the Bentayga in 2027 is the most remarkable and significant modification. Ultra-performance hybrid is the new flagship, yet the W12's essence lives on. This is a marvel of electric power, not just a hybrid system designed for efficiency. With the help of a high-output electric motor and a robust 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, the total system output surpasses an incredible 770 horsepower, 782 PS. The result is that the new Bentayga has more power than any previous Bentley production vehicle. The end result is an electric-only mode that is completely silent, perfect for elegant city excursions. The 2.5-ton Castle can go from 60 mph in under 3 seconds, thanks to the combination of the electric motor's quick and devastating torque and the V8's primal roar. If you step foot in a cabin that has undergone a technological awakening in Bentayga 2027, you will immediately drown. A breathtaking panoramic digital cockpit with a fully customizable driver's vision and a huge central infotainment screen in high definition has transformed the dashboard architecture. Thanks to its brand new platform, the system provides ultra-fast response times, navigation powered by predictive AI, and extensive, frictionless connectivity, as well as over-the-air upgrades for car systems. But Bentley's conventional skills, physical, knurled metal switchgear, perfect hand-sewn leather, and maintained open-pore veneer, are expertly balanced with this digital-first approach. Known as the S-Class of SUVs, the Bentayga prioritizes the well-being of its passengers above all else. The latest models include state-of-the-art seating, particularly in extended wheelbase (EWB) configurations. Amazingly, aircraft seats have 177 distinct pressure points that constantly monitor and adjust to reduce weariness, a relax mode that tilts the rear seat up to 40 degrees, and 22 ways of modification. With its state-of-the-art air purification system, multi-zone climate management, and Naim music system, cabin is more than just a means of transportation. It's an experience in and of itself. The 2027 Bentayga is an expertly crafted development in design, with a stance that is broader, lower, and more muscular. A complex crystal piece matrix LED headlight flows into a more muscular vertical grille, and it uses the current Bentley design DNA. A powerful power hose extends from the front of the vehicle,